Hi, I'm Sean Arnold, and this is another brief, brave attempt in learning. We're going to be discussing how to install and use the Google Grid View extension for Google Hangouts Meet. So let me show you how you can add the Google Meet Grid View to your Chrome browser and use it for your team meetings. First, you go to the extension in the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and add it. Let's see, it's checking. Is my organization going to allow it? All right, good. This is not a managed device. This is my own, so it isn't a big issue. But there it now appears up in my top right corner. So when I go ahead and I head into a Google Meet event, so now I can go ahead and start up this meeting for my team. All right, let's go ahead and turn my camera and mic on. Let's go ahead and join. And others can join this meeting either via the code here while I invite them, or I can add people directly, or they can type in that code if they're part of my organization. Let's go ahead and invite a few friends. So it took a little while, but I've gathered all the members of my team here. I called for the Avengers to assemble, but my problem is I can't see them all very well at once. So that's where this attachment comes in. You can see I have the ability to go ahead and turn it on just by clicking it. And suddenly, I get the full screen view of all of my attendees here. Now, if you have less than 9, it doesn't really matter anyway, but I want to be able to see all of my Avengers together. Of course, they all have their cameras turned off, secret identities and all. But it also gives me other options as well, whether this is the default option, should I only highlight the speakers, should I have myself in the grid, and should I enable screen capture mode? All right, I want all of them though, and I want myself there too. Hey guys, welcome to the meeting, and let's chat about how next to save the world. Take care, everybody.